Pulled out right in front of a bunch of cops. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, good to see you, Z. The last time we rode together, we went and had some glorious cheeseburgers at A's. You didn't like it as much as I did. See, today's going to be an easy day. We're going to a place that's been around from the 1800s.
We've been having a lot of easy days.
You know why?
Why?
COVID.
You can't blame it on COVID. You got to keep working hard, man.
Look, we're working, man. I'm just not trying to ride 100 miles just to go sit outside and maybe get half a menu. You know, nobody's serving their full menu anymore. Once this COVID's over, we're going on tour, man. We're going to hit the real spots.
Hey.
Until then, we're keeping it local, man. There's a lot of local businesses out here. We're in Orange County, man. Place we're going to, you ever hear of Silverado Cafe?
Oh, yeah, that's a place like out in the canyons. Like,
yeah, middle of nowhere. I'm really feeling an enchilada, man. They got the best enchiladas. First, I'm going to go hit the P.O. box. Let's go eat some food, and we'll open up some mail and call it a day. So Kleb's back. That's fun, right? What do you guys think? All the people I'm riding around with. We currently have Z, Kleb, Johnny, Kelly. We got a good group. Probably bring Jake back, like riding around with that dude. Yeah, I got a good group. Good band of thieves. Yeah, I feel whole, man. Got the whole crew back. Except Klaus. I don't know what that dude's up to. I think he's moved on entirely. Which is good, man. Last time I saw him, he was all cleaned up. Ready to rule the world. Good for you, Klaus. I doubt he even watches these videos anymore. It's broke. Everything I have is broke, Z. Everything. It's okay. You could break it. You did it now. I'm gonna send you a bill. Smell antifreeze, don't you? Whoa, dude, you're in a bad walking spot. All right. Send me mail to this box. We got some mail, Z.
We got a package.
I have a feeling it's hot sauce. Mind if I borrow your backy pack?
Do whatever you like. Don't look stupid with this big old backpack.
Nope. You're riding a motorcycle. You always look cool. Look at this dude. It's a bicyclist. Just run the light at this point. You're way out there. Even that head start, I'll still get him to the white line. Not a chance, Buster. Not a chance. I have been to Silverado Cafe before in a video, but I didn't really feature it. A lot of you guys might remember it from when Kleb and I rode our motorcycles all the way to the top of Santiago Peak, way up there. Well, we stopped at Silverado Cafe and had lunch before we did that. So, yeah, it's been a couple years. If you guys don't remember that video, I definitely encourage you to go watch that one. We destroyed our motorcycles trying to get to the top of that peak. This bike and Kleb's R1, dude, we made it to the top, all the way up to the top where those antennas are. It's the highest point in Orange County. We were there, man. The Shipbox 750 has been there. Gotta get that wheelie in, don't I? So, Silverado Cafe, I go there a lot off camera. My go-to order is shredded beef enchiladas. They're good. Most things that you order at this place are gonna be amazing. Be prepared to stop. Oh, I don't want to stop.
I want to talk to you. I'm gonna let you go, but watch out for a bicyclist, all right?
Thanks, man. I want that dude's job. Hold a stop sign all day long. Look at that. There's a sign for it. Silverado Cafe, 2 miles up the road. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's us, man. That's us. It's lunchtime. Oh, shit. Pulled out right in front of a bunch of cops. That's like my worst nightmare. Alright, we made it. You could have told me there was 10 cops behind me.
Dude, I was like, no!
You must have been hauling ass.
Yeah. Right when you turned, they went. There's only 2, by the way.
All right. We got some mail. First, let's talk about Silverado Cafe.
Oh, like no mans, no ands, no.
I feel like this made your top 10 list.
So good. Like,
Top 10?
I'd say top 10 for sure.
Jeez.
Might even be top 5. That was the freshest burger I've
And you got the Ortega burger. I've been here so many times, and I've never gotten the burger, but I've heard glorious things about it. And I come here for the enchiladas, and they're definitely top 5 for me.
I had a bite of the enchilada, and it was aight.
Dude, I'll have to come back and try the burger. Everything that you guys saw on the table today, which was 2 enchilada meal with an additional taco. We got 2 waters. You got the Ortega burger with some potato salad. Came out to about $21.
Very fair, but excellent quality food.
I'll be back. And you know what? This is way out of the way for most people, but make the journey. All right. Well, we got some mail. Let's go through it. All right. This one is from Little Dead Shroom out of Georgia. Look at that. He went the extra mile. We got a big letter and some stickers. These are cool stickers. I like this, man. That's a cool sticker. Hello, Sub-D. Hope all is well with you and yours. Hope your hand is healing well. We need more wheelies. My name is Jason, a.k.a. Little Dead Shroom. Longtime sub and fan, and small-time wannabe YouTube motovlogger. Got my setup from Chase on 2 wheels. Just don't know where to start. My channel is mainly gaming. Any tips or ideas? Well, starting with Chase, smart, man. That dude's got his shit together for sure. Quality content coming out of the Chase camp. Do what you want, man. Just hit record, ride around with your buddies, and see what you get into.
And keep doing it.
And be consistent. Yes, if we ever meet, I want to challenge Johnny or Z to the Tuba Terror. Well, for one, you're not going to beat Z. All right, this one is 9 mils on 2 wheels. 9 mils on 2 wheels. Father and son motovloggers with guns. Okay, got some spam cards. Thank you, sir. We got some stickers, too. Big fan. I finally got some stickers made. Would write more, but chemo treatment side effects make it hard for me to write, and my printer is down. Matt. Matt, I'm sorry to hear you're going through chemo, man, but you get through it, man. Stay strong, and we'll definitely get this sticker on the bike, man. We're thinking of you. Hope you're well. All right, who's next? No name, but it's from someone local. R.S.M. Dear Sub D, I can't wait for more content. Still a huge big subscribe fan since the first video. I miss when you do the firecrackers. Can I get a sticker also? And an autograph? Yeah, I'll do that, man. No problem. In fact, all right, now we got the big boy. What do you think it is? So this came all the way from the UK. I don't know if these Brits know what hot stuff is, do you?
I don't know, they're pretty
Thank
white.
you. Whoever sent this, thank you so much.
look it up.
I have no idea what the Scovilles are. Should we try it before we look it up?
So it says, the label is labeled regret. Warning, hot sauce used as a food additive only.
Good. It's gonna kill me. I guarantee whatever this is, it's gonna destroy me.
And if it destroys me, then that means I'm having a good time.
Oh.
You see that? Oh, that thing's instant.
Instant and really?
A little bit, tiny.
Is that too much?
That's a lot.
You're warning me. That scares me.
Don't get it on the tip. Get it like
That's what she said.
yeah. Avoid the tip. Yeah, and then just let it sit and
What did I do? I shouldn't have done that.
it's instant. So there's an initial kick.
No, I feel my tongue blistering, dude. Oh my God, I shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
I can't think straight, man.
I had a little bit and
Eat more. That's a lot, man.
ready?
Yeah. All right, fun day riding around with Z. Thanks for those that stuck with me for the duration of this video. And those of you guys that sent me mail, appreciate it. Whoever sent me this hot sauce can go to hell. My head feels a little weird.
12 million Scoville.
That's the hottest thing I ever had.
No joke. 12 million Scoville.
Well, the Patreons, thank you guys so much for your continued support. Please support the channel partners. Just look at what they're doing and buy their stuff, man. All right.
Get water.
Yeah, I'm ending. Later. Bye. All right, let's read a few comments from the recent video. We had everything in sight, and now I feel shame. 226 of you. Looks like top comment, Jake the Garden Snake. I love that guy, man. Says Z. He's friends with Z, man. He gets all excited when Z's in a video. We all do. Then we got from Kurt Craig. How much weed does Z smoke? Z doesn't smoke weed. By the way, yeah, you'd think he would, but no, he doesn't. All right, we'll just kind of read a random one, wherever it lands. From Michael Moore. Way to go, Z. You'd appreciate that. Let's read a comment from my buddy in Canada. Komodo Life. Man, Z got you good. That was hilarious. I haven't seen that done in a long time. Keep up the good work, buddy. I'm always looking forward to the next video. Your friend from the north. If you're wondering what he's talking about, I was starting to mess around with Jake a little bit, and Z crept up on my left side. I had the bike in neutral. Z used his right foot to stomp my shifter into gear, and that's what that was. Some of you guys probably understood what was happening, but a lot of you probably didn't. All right, let's read Black Cats. I mean, it's so simple, but we've got this thing happening. We've been doing this for years. He comments, cool, and that's all he comments. And then I usually reply with cat. Let's just go ahead and do that now. Let's read this one from Austin. This will be the last comment. Have you ever thought about what your next bike will be when your stock GSXR goes out? You know, Austin, if this bike blows up or something happens to it, I think I'll spend the money to get it back on the road. I'll just keep dumping money into this thing. Misplaced Caper, read this comment. Done. All right, guys, make sure you leave me a comment in this video because in the next video, I might be reading off your comment. All right, guys, much love. Later.